Hey guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef.
And Sabrina, the mini Frugal Chef.
Let's make
whole wheat pita bread.
Yes, this is easy to make. It's very fun and delicious. You don't need an oven for this, so let's go make this. Before we do this, if you would subscribe please and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, I agree.
Guys, as always, we're gonna have grams underneath the video in the description box for you. But for now, we have 2 teaspoons of yeast in this bowl. Sabri's gonna add a ½ cup of warm water to this. It has to be warm, don't make it too hot, otherwise you're gonna kill the yeast. About 110 degrees, okay? All right, we're gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. In here, we have 2 1/4 cups of whole wheat flour. We have 1 cup of white flour, and we have 2 teaspoons of salt.
Look how bubbly this is.
We're now gonna add our flours into our activated yeast. We are adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3/4 cups of room temperature water. So right now you could just mix this, throw it onto a clean counter with flour and start kneading it until it's now no longer sticky. That'll take you, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Or if you have a stand-up mixer like we do, just use your hook attachment and do it for 5 minutes in the mixer. That's what we're gonna do.
Into another bowl, and with some olive oil I'm gonna start oiling my bowl. Now I put the dough back in my other bowl,
and she's going to just roll it in the oil so it gets covered. Okay, now we're gonna cover this bowl with some plastic wrap, and we're gonna let it sit in a warm place until it doubles in size. Just make sure you don't have any drafts wherever you put your dough, okay? We'll see you when this is doubled in volume. Check out our dough. It has doubled in size, it's beautiful. Obviously we changed it into another bowl. We're going to sprinkle some flour on the counter and dump it on there. Yeah, she has 10 pieces. We're going to cover these with a damp towel, and we're gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes. We want the gluten to relax so that we can stretch them out really thin. All right, 10 minutes have gone by, and now we're gonna start stretching these out with a rolling pin. We wanna make these as thin as possible. Guys, and if yours is, coming back, it's retracting, it means it needs to rest a little longer, okay? That is how thin you want these, okay? I started heating a cast iron pan so that we can cook our bread. This is gonna cook really fast because the pan gets very hot. We're gonna start cooking these with no oil, dry pan, really hot pan. look at that. It is super soft. No? Let's see, let's do it. It's fluffy, yeah. We just need to go make some hummus now so that we can dip it in there or some tapenade, huh? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you make this. I think you're gonna love it. If you could share and like and comment, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Bye. Bye.